Welcome back to Supersonic Science. This week we're going to be making lava lamp in a cup. The materials you're going to need are a glass, vegetable oil, salt, a measuring cup, food coloring, and water. Start by filling the glass 3/4 of the way full with water. Then add food coloring. I'm using red to make it look like lava. Next, measure out a 1/4 cup of vegetable oil. Add it to the water. You'll see that the oil sits on top because it is lighter than the water. Now begin pouring salt into the cup. You will start to see bubbles falling to the bottom of the cup. This is because the salt is heavier than the oil, so as it goes down to the bottom of the cup, it takes some oil with it. After the salt dissolves, the oil goes back to the top of the cup. To further experiment, try this process with sand or sugar. Does it have the same results? I hope you enjoyed this week's Supersonic Science video and have some fun making your own lava lamp in a cup.